Happy Wednesday. Sorry, I'm just getting this video out to you. I've been very busy learning about lots of new technology, using the computer in lots of different ways. In fact, today I learned a way that I might be able to communicate with you or talk to you face to face using our computers. And hopefully by the end of the week, um, I'll invite you to maybe even sing a song with me in the morning. So while you've been home playing and working with your family, I've also been learning lots of things this week. So I appreciate everyone being so patient while I'm learning too, and putting together some lessons and read alouds for you. So they're coming your way. Today, the story that I'm going to share with you is a funny one. I just watched Mrs. Sapia's video. It was great, and she talked a lot about big feelings that we're all having right now. And this can be a time that might make you feel a little nervous or scared, or maybe you're having lots of fun with your family and you're having lots of feelings of happiness and laughter is going on in your house. So I thought I'd share a funny story with you too. This one is called My Daddy Snores, and it was written by Nancy Rothstein, illustrated by Stephen Gilpin. I'm going to share that story with you today. And I also thought to keep that laughter going, maybe all of you, if you get a chance, or mom and dad are able to record you, maybe telling us a joke. If mom and dad can record you, you can send me your clip of you telling the joke, and then I'll put them together and then send them out to everyone in the class. So if you get a chance, think of a good joke that you could share with us and send me that clip. Here's the story, My Daddy Snores. My Daddy Snores by Nancy H. Rothstein, illustrated by Stephen Gilpin. My Daddy Snores by Nancy H. Rothstein, illustrated by Stephen Gilpin. On Monday, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled. So, Mommy played musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed, so she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train. So, Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished, and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee, so Mommy slept in the doghouse. But poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. Arr! On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot. So this time, Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl, but even Daddy's bubble snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in our tent. But he woke up all the birds. Then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept, I slept, Natalie slept, Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept, until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks, I'd love more ice cream.